Hey singers, so today we're going to be exploring the smooth and sultry vocals of pop sensation Dua Lipa. From her smoky low registers to her floaty kind of falsetto notes, I'm going to break down Dua's voice and then I'm going to give you some tips so that you can really channel your inner Dua Lipa. We'll be going through some exercises a little later on in the video. So while Dua's known for dance pop, she has roots in jazz and soul, and you can hear this influence in her tendency towards retro stylistic choices and her command of dynamics. Now, I personally love Dua's voice. She has an incredible range, shifting seamlessly from smoky, husky, gritty low notes, which is one of the favorite things that I love about her voice, by the way, to floaty falsetto, kind of headier notes, and her tone is immediately recognizable. It's crystal clear, yet husky and sensual, so it's just beautiful. Well, I mean, that's in my opinion. She has good breath support and control, and she holds notes well, transitions smoothly, and fires off riffs really well. And her phrasing just really builds up tension and conveys emotion beautifully. Another thing that I find so cool about Dua's voice is that it's pretty much common this in most singers who have a tendency to have a more chest voice dominant voice within that pop style, is that they use a lot of these off-on cries, yodels and squeaks in their voices, which is really great. I love this. It's similar to what Sia does with her voice. And Dua definitely has a little bit of that going on in her voice as well. So first of all, let's talk about Dua's lower range. Now she really nails those husky, low, raspy notes. And to achieve this, we really need to be spending a little bit more time in the lower end of our voice, in our chest voice, allowing our voice to get gritty, just so that we can access those deep tones that Dua really accesses when it comes to singing her songs. And yeah, I love her lower register. So let's do an exercise for this. Getting into those lower, deeper tones, using vocal fry to really help connect at the bottom. And then the next one is breath support. Dua's breath support and control is what really enables her to sustain notes and smooth riffs. So to help with this, we're going to work on an exercise that's really just going to help you to build that core support and vocal stability. So let's do this exercise. Take a deep belly breath and begin exhaling slowly on a steady shh sound. Focusing on controlling the rate of the exhale and really extending the length of your shh for as long as possible. So let's talk about her smooth transition. No, I could never have too much. I'll breathe you in forever and ever. Hallucinate. She seamlessly shifts from chest voice to head voice, and in order to do this, we really need to work on the connection and really just smoothing out those areas of the voice, because she is able to fluidly go from chest voice to head voice, and it's just amazing. We kind of need to be able to do this for any contemporary sounds that we're looking for when it comes to singing. So yeah, but let's do an exercise to really help with this. Using the bratty wow wow wow. Sliding up and down the notes to smooth out any register breaks in your voice. So let's talk about her belting power. Now she belts with so much strength and body, and we really need to make sure that we have the foundations of good technique down before even doing this exercise that we're going to do in a moment. But we need to make sure that we have good posture and breath support, and then this exercise is just really going to help you to build your belt range and endurance that you need to access your inner Dua Lipa. Opening up the voice with the bratty na. Just getting into that
really get into the belt.
So the goal of each exercise is to directly emulate an element that really makes Jewel's voice so unique and distinctive. The gritty low notes, the range, the breath support, the stability, the smooth transitions, and her unbelievable belting power. Now, last but not least, because I want to make sure that I add this one in there, it is personal touch. While you can take inspiration from Jewel, remember to infuse your own unique style. Experiment and find what works for your voice, what makes your voice so special and unique. Play around with the different vocal textures, you know, and think about how can you make them work for you and in your own way. Try out retro stylistic choices like Lipa, but customize them. What are the distinctive qualities of your tone? Do you have a piercing head voice? Do you have a smooth voice? Is your voice a little smoky and husky in the lower register? Get to know your sound. While capturing Jewel's essence can be great practice, don't get me wrong, it's great practice. Just don't forget the joy of developing your own unique voice, because you offer something this world has never heard before, and I for one cannot wait to hear it. I love a good authentic singing voice, you know. But yeah, that's the blueprint for channeling your inner Lipa, and you can find the full workout on my Voice Savvy app, which is free. It's free, and you can download it on the App Store and Google Play, and then you can do the whole Lipa vocal workout on there. Now, join me next week as I unpack another pop sensation's voice. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you can stay up to date with the videos that I'm posting on my YouTube channel, because I'm posting between 3 to 4 videos a week and I just don't want you to miss out. But yeah, that's pretty much it from me. Until next time, I will see you soon. Mwah.